To remove one-click pay on Temu, follow these steps. First, log into your Temu account and navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or username, then selecting the settings option from the drop-down menu. Next, locate the payment settings section within your account settings. This is where you will find the one-click pay option. Look for a checkbox or toggle switch next to one-click pay, and click on it to disable the feature. If you are unable to find the one-click pay option within your account settings, try searching for payment methods or checkout settings. This is where you will find the option to manage your one-click pay preferences. It is also important to review your payment methods and ensure that you have removed any saved payment information that may be linked to one-click pay. To do this, go to the Payment Methods section and delete any saved credit or debit cards. Once you have disabled one-click pay and removed any saved payment information, review your account settings to ensure that the changes have been saved. You can do this by logging out of your account and logging back in to verify that one-click pay is no longer enabled. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully remove one-click pay on Temu. Remember to always review your account settings and payment methods regularly to ensure that your information is up to date and secure.